The gadget is the world's first smartphone with a built-in thermal imager. This device allows users to detect heat leaks in buildings and overheated areas in electrical wiring, measure the temperature of various objects, and even see in the dark and through smoke. The thermal imager has a range of up to 30 meters and can be used to take photos and videos. However, that's not the only feature of this device. Another undeniable advantage of this device is its shock resistance, thanks to its tempered cast metal frame and protective glass. The smartphone can withstand falls from heights of up to 2 meters without any consequences. Moreover, the gadget is waterproof and can survive at a depth of up to 5 meters for up to 1 hour without any damage. This device costs $600. In contrast to the Cat S60, which uses a thermal camera, this gadget has a 4-megapixel camera with 2 infrared LEDs that allow it to shoot in complete darkness. Additionally, this smartphone has a special button called Action Key, which can be programmed to launch a specific function or application. The developer notes that this device can be used as a universal remote control for household appliances. It's worth noting that the case of this novelty is made of stainless steel and fiberglass and is protected from dust and moisture. Besides, this device is waterproof. The cost of Lumigon 3 is $920. Sony Xperia X2 Compact is a small but surprisingly powerful device. The main features of this device are its 19-megapixel lens and built-in memory chip, which stores huge amounts of data and allows for slow-motion video recording at a rate of 960 frames per second. In addition, Exit 1 records sound exceptionally well, maintaining crystal-clear sound even in the noisiest of places, such as a concert. This gadget can also boast the 3D Creator app, which uses the camera to scan faces and objects, allowing for the creation of 3D photos that can be shared on social media or printed on a 3D printer. This device comes with a price tag of $650. Designer Ulrich Larsson has created a unique phone with 3 screens that can operate in different modes when using multiple apps. The user can launch a program on all 3 displays at once or run a separate app on each screen. The developer notes that having multiple components allows this phone to function as a convenient book, stand for viewing photos or videos, and a desktop alarm clock all at once. When folded like a book, the user can use one of the screens as a keyboard for more comfortable typing. According to the creator, the possibilities for using such technology are limitless. It is worth noting that the flexible screens are protected by special glass and the body is made of aluminum. This device costs $10,099. Jay Lee. The new smartphone is designed for those who appreciate a truly compact device. The creators assure that it is the smallest smartphone with 4G support. The screen diagonal in this device is only 2.45 inches, as Jay Lee's dimensions do not provide for watching movies or playing games. Therefore, the characteristics of the smartphone are corresponding. A quad-core processor with a frequency of 1.1 Gs and 1 GB of RAM, a built-in storage of 8 GB with the possibility of expansion, an 8-megapixel main and a 2-megapixel front camera, 2 slots for SIM cards, GPRS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Such a device is suitable as a second phone for calls or messaging. It can also be used in conjunction with a tablet. This miniature gadget costs $70. What is it? This smartphone is equipped with a 5.2-inch display with full HD resolution, a dual camera with zoom on the back, a fingerprint scanner, a powerful battery with fast charging. The main feature of such a device is the eye tracking technology using cameras and sensors. Thus, the user can control the smartphone without touching the screen, for example, scroll pages or view photos with eye movement, which is very convenient. In addition, this phone can be attached to any vertical surface. This possibility is realized due to a special case. Such a gadget costs $200. Zenfone, according to the manufacturer, is the world's first smartphone equipped with Tango and Daydream technologies. At the same time, the first technology includes a set of sensors and computer vision from Google, allowing interaction with augmented reality, including games, applications, and indoor navigation. In turn, Daydream is a virtual reality platform for mobile devices. It is also worth noting that this is one of the first smartphones that received 8 GB of RAM. It can be purchased for approximately $890. Looked. For 5 years, this gadget has been distinguished from others by a LED cover that can shimmer with all the colors of the rainbow. including the ones chosen by the user. It is worth noting that the glowing back of the new smartphone is not just for beauty. It notifies about new letters and messages with different colors. In addition, it can be colored to the colors of photos taken on the device's camera or just made to flash to the beep.